Guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make use of the green screen effect on TikTok. So guys, this is actually very easy to do, so let's get started. Now, as you know, the green screen effect allows you to change the background of a video while recording. So if you want to learn how to do that, the first step to take is, of course, open your TikTok app and log into your TikTok account. And then the second thing to do is to click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now, once you click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen, you have to click on this effects icon in order for you to choose the green screen effect. All right, so this is the green screen effect. I'm going to select that. And then the next thing for us to do is to upload our own image that we are going to use as a background. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm going to choose an image from my device. So I'm actually going to choose this first image. And now I can start recording my video by clicking on this round record button. By the way, as you can see, the green screen effect is so cool to use. It appears like I'm in the cloud right now. And actually, this is my first time showing you guys my face while recording my video. Okay, so I'm just going to record the video by clicking on the record button. So after recording a video, you have to click on the check mark at the bottom of your screen. And then you can now add sound effects, text, stickers to this video. And then you have to click on the next button at the bottom of your screen. Then you can add your caption and post this video on TikTok. So guys, this is how you can simply make use of the green screen effect on TikTok. Hope this guide was helpful. If you think it was, give this video a like and if you subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.